Hey, let me show you a few tips how you can fix that problem when you cannot receive your phone notifications on the HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 Pro. So first of all, start by opening the HUAWEI Health application, go for Devices and open your Watch Fit 5 Pro. Now, go for notifications, make sure that you are gonna enable them, but also make sure that you are gonna turn off this one, mute notifications when using phone. And now, the most important thing, just check if the specific application that you are looking for got already enabled notifications. For example, if I don't receive notifications from my YouTube or weather application, I have to turn them on manually by clicking on those switchers. Next, if this doesn't actually help you, what you can also do, just simply go for the settings in your smartphone, go to the applications, search for HUAWEI Health application. And what you have to do, first of all, you have to make sure that you've got enabled all of those notifications here. It's very important. And now go for permissions and check if the HUAWEI Health application got permission to send notifications, because if not, then it will be not possible to receive them here on your Watch Fit 5 Pro. It's very important. Now go back from this one and go for a mobile data usage. Make sure that on your phone you will get this option to get access to the background data, but also go for the app battery usage and make sure that your phone, that this application will get access into the battery in the background. Because if it will be not like unrestricted, then sometimes you will get actually those problems. What you can also check on your phone that you don't have the airplane mode enabled, because the airplane mode blocks like the Wi-Fi, mobile data, and most of the applications will stop working. But you have to also do the same on your Watch Fit 5 Pro. So when you grab your watch and open the settings, and now on your Watch Fit 5 Pro, just make sure that you don't have enabled like do not disturb mode or a sleep mode. And additionally, you can even enable that feature to wake screen for all incoming notifications.